The VALANJANGANAM waterfall is a regular stop for travels along this route. With the onset of the rainy season, the VALANJANGANAM waterfall has been attracting tourists. There are many shops near the waterfall where you can buy tea and snacks. The rainy season is the best time to visit the waterfall. It is 68 kilometers from Kuttikkanam and entry is completely free. Our short video comes to an end here. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next beautiful video.